My name is Mr. Kenny and I am the new principal here at Pennridge High School. Today, we have a robust program to get through this period. What I want to do is set the stage though, because what we're going to be talking about as we're pretty much 3/4 of the way through the year. So what we're trying to do today is setting the expectations for the remainder of the year and also having you, the students, have picked every topic that we are speaking about today.
Basically, this is a student-run class assembly, so we're presenting to 9th, 10th, and 11th graders on important topics that are prevalent in our school, so kindness, empathy, respect, getting involved, and just being respectful to classmates and teachers.
Mr. Ott was gracious enough to put together a committee of individuals, so everything that we're speaking about today is a message of kindness, is a message of empathy, and a message of how we want to progress as collectively as Pennridge High School.
Well, as the new principal of Pennridge High School, how was I going to get in front of the students? And I don't believe in standing in front of individuals and lecturing them. But through feedback and having conversations with the respective clubs and activities and talking to teachers as well as administrative staff, we really wanted to bring everybody together in grade level assemblies. But the key to it was actually getting the kids involved because it was their message. So it was actually Mrs. Garish's idea that Mr. Ott brought to life, where we actually brought students groups in and actually asked them what the issues of school were, so it wasn't an adult-driven message. And then we sat down with them, had at least 4 planning meetings where they actually developed the itinerary to it, and then we were able to work in based off of what the students thought were needed. That's a more impactful way of trying to create a different culture and climate in the building.
It's just about respect and respecting the community, respecting the school, respecting teachers, and also your classmates. Yeah, it's important to me because I have younger siblings that are going to come to the high school, and I hope they come to a good high school that respects each other and has a better community.
The takeaway would be our overall behavioral expectations and expectations in the classroom. Do your work, be respectful, be on time, and work with each other. That's the general message.
Of the Pennridge High School Avidum Club. The name Avidum means I've got your back in reference to caring about the mental wellness of one another.
On March 8, 2016, I lost my best friend to suicide. The following school year, I came to school, honestly not really knowing what us as a school and us as a student base could do to try to help our community understand that a lot of young people are struggling with mental health.
So around 7th grade or a little bit earlier, I started struggling myself with eating and appearance. Going through the experience myself kind of pushed me to want to help others more.
Hi, I'm Sophia Rose, and I'm the president of Penridge Cares for Kids, and we're an organization that works with Kids for Kai, which is an organization that works with kids with cancer around the Bucks County area. And today we partnered with Psych Club to create a video about vaping at school and how it makes your peers feel uncomfortable. Can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, nice.
You want to end this? We have the responsibility to be positive students and respect not only our teachers and classmates, but each other.
What kind of student do you want to be? What kind of person do you want to be? What do you want to be remembered for?
As the students here at Pennridge High School, we get to decide what kind of school we want to create. We create that school through our actions and our attitudes.
I think we can all agree that we want a school where we can learn and grow, not only as students, but as people, and also have fun along the way.
The only way to achieve that kind of school is by coming together as one Pennridge High School.
This starts with the people that are sitting next to you right now.
They may have gone to different schools growing up, but right now we all go to Pennridge High School.
Respect is as simple as that.
Just like we learned in 3rd grade. Thanks so much.
All right, so from a cultural standpoint, when you talk about how do we become more effective in the classroom and be more efficient students and be productive in the classroom, what it really comes down to, are we kind and empathetic, right? It all works together. They're not isolated pockets. So having a particular assembly on one of those things, to me, is not bang for buck. It's about having the kids come in and speak about how those behavioral components of what happens on a day-to-day basis in school impact our ability to educate the kids in the classroom. So they're not mutually exclusive events. They all kind of work together.
You know that the school, you know, the kids become respectful more, and they respect the school, and you know, nothing happened in the bathrooms. You know, respecting teachers. You know, have as many instances where it happens like that. Tell them that, you know, you're not too cool to respect your peers and your teachers, and you gotta respect everyone. You know, no matter who you are.
I just really think this is something that is applicable to life as students, but it's really something that's applicable to life after high school. Being a kind person is more important than excelling in any class or sport or performance. So I think it's just reinforcing that idea that, you know, we're all humans and we just have to be kind to one another.